Oh, yeah?
That's why I pulled it too much.
Maya, what are you doing, baby?
She's going underwater.
Oh. Maya, what are you doing, silly?
I bet Maya can. Mommy, your noodles are about to fit.
Maya, what are you doing?
Mommy, your noodles are ready. Mommy, your noodles are hot.
They are?
Yeah.
Good.
I got animal noodles. And the animal noodles don't talk.
Maya, what are you doing?
This Luffy has shells in her fingers.
She does?
Yeah.
Oh, was it pretty?
Yeah, but it wasn't, so...
Maya, what are you doing?
Nothing. It's going under like this. That's what I
You ready to get out? No? You want to get out?
do. You're not bathed yet, Maya. Did Maya get bathed?
Not yet.
Ow.
You want out? Okay. You want the towel? Sit down, Maya. We still gotta bathe you.
in the bathtub.
No, it'd get all wet, wouldn't it? Sit down, Maya.
Don't need a new one. Everybody can have noodles. Remember? That's the rule.
Oh, okay.
Everybody can have your noodles. Here's your noodle. Got a noodle? Bad noodle?
That looks really yummy.
Let me wash it off for you. There. Maya, you don't get 2 noodles. Here, I washed it off for you.
Thank you.
One more noodle. Here. Here's your noodle. Do you want 2 noodles or 1 noodle? 2 noodles or 1 noodle?
I think one is enough.
Okay, so grab.
Mhm.